Hey everyone, welcome back to Fit Bro. Today, we're going to talk about something that's amazing for building muscle and strength, calisthenics. This is a form of exercise that uses your own body weight to build muscle and strength, and it can be done anywhere with minimal equipment. In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate guide to calisthenics. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, including what exercises to do, how to progress and increase difficulty, and how to make sure you're doing everything correctly. First, let's talk about what calisthenics is. It's a form of exercise that uses your own body weight to build muscle and strength. This means that you don't need any special equipment, and you can do it anywhere. Some of the most popular calisthenics exercises include push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and planks. Now, let's talk about how to get started with calisthenics. The first thing you need to do is find a workout plan that's right for you. There are many different calisthenics workout plans out there, so you should be able to find one that works for you. Once you have a plan, it's important to stick to it and be consistent. Next, we'll talk about how to progress and increase difficulty. As you get stronger, you'll want to increase the difficulty of your workouts to continue building muscle and strength. This can be done by adding weight, increasing reps, or doing more advanced exercises. Finally, we'll talk about how to make sure you're doing everything correctly. It's important to use proper form when doing calisthenics exercises to avoid injury and get the most out of your workout. So, make sure you're doing the exercises correctly, and if you're not sure, ask a trainer for help. And that's it. Calisthenics is a great way to build muscle and strength, and it can be done anywhere with minimal equipment. With the tips we've covered in this video, you'll be able to get started with calisthenics and make great progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos from Fit Bro. And remember, consistency is key, so keep at it and you'll see results.